In this screencast, I'll show you how to integrate Sourcegraph with GitHub, as well as how to enable repositories for code searching. First step is to create a new external service. We'll call this GitHub, and although GitHub is the default, we integrate with other code hosts as well. Next step is to grab a token so Sourcegraph can communicate with GitHub. We'll go to this URL. Let's call the token Sourcegraph, and we will give it the permissions required so it can access private repositories as well. Let's copy the token, head back to Sourcegraph, and once we've pasted that in, we can save our external service. In the background, Sourcegraph is communicating with GitHub to get a list of the repositories it can access. You'll notice that not only can Sourcegraph access repositories from my account, it's also able to access repositories from organizations I belong to, such as Sourcegraph. To make a repository available for searching, enable it, and then in the background, Sourcegraph will begin to clone the repository. And here you can see the files are ready for searching. You may also want to add other public repositories for searching. To do this, let's go to External Services. We'll edit our GitHub service. And we're going to provide the configuration with a list of repositories, these being any public repository on GitHub. We'll save that. And then when we go back to our repositories list, the Kubernetes repository should be available for cloning.